Hello students, hope you all are doing fine. In our last video, we have started with the chapter Family Resource Management, under which we have learned about definition of resources, types of resources, definition of budget, and different factors affecting the family budget. And today we are going to discuss about the advantages and limitations of budget. Firstly, starting with the advantages of budgeting, our first advantage is budget acts as an intelligent guide to spending and it enables families to have an overall view of their income. So, basically, budgeting tells family what is their total earning or income which they can plan to spend to fulfill their family goals. The next important function is budgeting ensures that your spending is not greater than your income as it helps us to maintain balance between income and expenses so that the saving and expenditure both can be done happily, and it helps one to live within one's income. As you can see in the picture, family is enjoying buying things with their planned budget. Next important function is it helps in proper distribution of various items of expenditure based on priorities. That is because budgeting helps us to decide the things of priority and the things which can be delayed and planned in future. And it also helps us to save money for our future plans. Next important function is it helps one to be free from debts, and it also helps us to cut unnecessary expenditure. Budgeting helps us to plan the spending of the money smartly so that we are free from all the debts and liabilities. And also, budgeting tells us our priorities by which we can see through our expenses and avoid the unnecessary items to be added in the list. So, the next budgeting advantage is it encourages us to make conscious decision which may help in including long term goals in the budget. So, how it is done? For example, if somebody plans to send their children abroad for higher studies, they have to start with good budget planning to accomplish their long term goal. So, that is how the budget helps to plan your long term goal. You start doing work for that long term goal beforehand so that till the time the goal to be achieved, the budget is properly settled and savings are secured. The next important function is it relieves the family members from future worries. Proper budgeting leads to stress free life, and it also develops the habit of saving among the young ones, which may help them in future to meet their emergency needs. This is a good habit. If we start planning budget with the children, they learn how to make the savings, how to do the useful expenditure of money on useful items. So these all were the advantages of budgeting, in which we have discussed different advantages and how the budget is very important and helpful to be used in the family. Next are some limitations for budgeting. First limitation is Though budget can help to make the best use of money, but it cannot increase its amount. So please be careful. Never think that if I plan a budget, my amount will increase. It will just make the best use of your money. The next point is budget is just an estimate, not the real plan. Budget gives us just an overall view, but it cannot be considered 100% accurate to be relied on. Next points are budget can inspire a person to be a good buyer but cannot actually make him. So, budget can inspire a person to compare different things and buy what comes under their pocket. Whereas, if the prices rises, the budget may become ineffective. The budget plan may become zero when the prices of the commodities rises sharply. Okay, with this, we have completed this topic in which we covered advantages of budgeting and their limitations. Now, in the next class, we will discuss about savings. Thank you, students. Take care.